Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot I-12 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So here we'll take a look at the outside of this house first. Not everything is complete with this house, but it's just about to be done. We've got these stones instead of a lawn behind the house and in front, so it makes maintenance really easy. There's no need to cut any grass or anything. You would just have to weed that area. Here we have these two steps facing each other. I'm going to point out here that you've got your outside electric and outside water. There's also another outside electric here. Now we'll take a look inside. Right as you walk in, you've got your kitchen to the left, and on the right you have your living room. Got a ceiling fan here. You can see out the windows here. Got one car parking out front. And this room also comes equipped with a cable jack, so you can easily set up television here. Right here we have the thermostat. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen. You can see to the right of the fridge here, you have a ton of cabinetry space. These are super deep, so you could put tons of spices or have that as your snack cabinet or what have you. Also, I like to point out that you've got slow closing mechanisms on all the doors, so there's no slamming of any kind. Here is your refrigerator. You've got your freezer on top and the fridge on bottom. The house comes with a fire extinguisher, and you can see this subway tile backsplash that runs the whole length of the kitchen wall. You've got this laminate countertop and a vinyl flooring throughout the house. Here is your dishwasher. And here is the sink. You get the cutting board. Underneath that is a drying rack. This is the extendable nozzle for the sink. And you've got a window right above the sink. So if you're washing dishes there, very easy to look out. Got an extra large cabinet on the corner. And here you can see the adjustable cabinets. This is your microwave. And that is right above your stove oven combination. I'd like to note that all the appliances in this house are Whirlpool stainless steel, and they are all warranted through the manufacturer. So if there's any issues at all, you can reach out to them and they will cover it. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the house. We have the furnace behind here. And taking a look at the bathroom now, you can see we have a premium black trim that goes throughout this house. You've noticed it on the handles before, but it's very noticeable on the shower doors. Right across from that, you have your toilet and a medicine cabinet above the toilet. I'd also note that in the shower, there are 2 fiberglass seats. The whole shower is one piece fiberglass, but there's 2 seating areas in there. This is where you can have your stackable washer and dryer. And this is the bedroom. Right behind this door is your closet. You've got a pre-installed wire rack that runs the whole length of the wall. And right here is your data plate, which has all the information about the home from the manufacturer. This is your whole house shutoff valve. I'd also like to note that in this room you have a cable jack just like the living room, so you can set up a TV very easily. And behind the door here, we have the electrical panel. Now this is 100 amps, just like any other regular house, and everything is already labeled in there for you. Finally, behind this door here, we have a 40-gallon water heater. If you're interested in this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.